All right, you made it to the end, so let's wrap this up. Take a second to look at what you actually did here. You started from nothing, no local model, maybe not even sure your machine could run one, and now you have a real AI model running on your computer for free, completely offline, with your data never leaving your machine. Along the way, you learn the things that actually matter. You learn how to look at your own hardware and know exactly what it can run instead of guessing. You learn how to pick a runner without getting lost in the dozen options people argue about online. You learned how to read those scary model names, what quantization and mixture of experts actually mean, and which models to start with. You ran your first model, you connected it to real work through your editor and the local API, and you watched it build something real. And just as important, you learned when local is the wrong choice and how to let the cloud handle the hard 20%. That's the whole foundation. Everything from here just builds on top of it. Now, let me tell you where I think this is all going, because I think it's big. A year ago, running a useful model on your own laptop was painful, and the results were rough. Today, you did it in a few minutes, and the model was good enough for real work. That gap between what runs on your machine and what runs in the big cloud keeps shrinking, and it's shrinking fast. The hardware keeps getting cheaper, the model keeps getting smaller and smarter, and more of them are being open sourced every single month. So this isn't a side experiment anymore. Running AI on your own machine is becoming a normal, serious part of how people build. And I think it only grows from here. And I want to reiterate that this course is a living course, which means it keeps growing based on feedback. The same machine and the same method you just learned to run these text models can do images, speech to text, text to speech, even video, all of it locally. And those modules are coming. But here's where you come in. I want to know what to build next. So tell me down in the Q&A what videos and what courses you want me to make, the specific model you're stuck on, and use case that you're trying to figure out. That's what decides what I record next. And honestly, the best ideas come from you. So thank you for spending this time with me. Go run something useful on your own machine. Keep experimenting as the new models drop. And I'll see you in the next one.